Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Chaincraft's daily combo for August 8, 2024. Okay, let's go. The first pick which is Sea Hamster. I did this. Where are you? This one. Okay, and the second one which is see Blue Bunny naka-jacket. Okay, and then the third one which is see. Okay, Tambay Hamster. And then for the fourth one is C. Okay, I think si Coach. So, it's one. And then for the last one, which is C. Simple Hamster. Okay, here we go. This is the best pick for chain crafts in August 8. Thank you.